Jesse Garza. Court is calling 2025 CR 004-132, State versus Jesse Garza. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Robert Gaona for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Garza?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right, probation, this is not an application. Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garza, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Garza, did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, with 2 or more convictions as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
yes, ma'am, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 9 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. There's no applications, and the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 004-131. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State, any evidence?
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
uh,
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. All right, so why should I follow this plea? It appears that he won't stop stealing.
And Judge, this gentleman, I met him, I think back in February, very cordial, very polite.
Mhm.
Probably had an issue with other substances at the time, very easy to work with. So I think that just sticking him in there for extra time, just because you can, I think he might be all right now. And I think and he's accepted responsibility on these cases.
But he was just here in 2020,
I understand.
24 for stealing.
I
So why do you keep stealing?
I know, I apologize about that. I promise I'm not gonna do that anymore.
But
Like,
no, I mean, that's what you said, I'm sure the last time, to whoever the previous judge, and then you said it again. That's why we're here with theft, 2 or more convictions. And I see the items he sold are things, soap and lotion and stuff like that. And I understand people are poor. I understand that people need things, but people don't appreciate you stealing from them.
Okay.
So why do you continue to steal?
I know, I don't have no reason, like, I've been trying to, I know I can, I'm not gonna do it anymore, and
Well, the problem is that history shows that you will do it again. So I'm trying to figure out, why do you do what you do?
I really don't got nothing to say about that.
Oh, just 1 second. Deputy Laura,
Yes, Judge.
the interpreter is coming down for him. The person in the green sweatshirt?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. So why do you keep doing this?
Right now, I don't really got no place to stay. Like shit, like I'm just living on the street. I don't got nothing else to say about that.
All right, so
Yeah.
he still is not gonna have a place to stay. I don't know if, and I'm sure this time, what is this, a judgment satisfied?
No. It's not. You have 102 days credit, Judge.
Mhm.
And I did warn him. I warned him of the consequences. I warned him as well. If he comes back, it could be a lot worse than it is right now. I also warned him that we're probably on the walking the line on whether or not you were going to accept the deal. So he understands.
Yeah.
But it is increased at least 3 months from the last time. But is my understanding.
Yeah, I'm not inclined to grant this. I mean, on his last sentence for theft, he got 103 days.
If the court has a suggestion, he might.
Well, I mean, it needs to, I mean, the court will accept something more than 9 months, so if y'all want to discuss that, because it doesn't appear to the court that he's gonna stop stealing. So if you want to discuss that with the state, I guess, is that,
The state's gonna probably accept whatever. How, what do you give it? Are you giving it 10?
on this one, he
Judge.
last, in 2024, he spent 103 days in the Bear County Jail for stealing, and now he's back stealing again, and he says, you know, he doesn't have a place to stay. So I don't think that 9 months is sufficient time for him. So I don't know if,
Judge, he's fine with 10 months. I mean, that's what you're telling us. 9 months is not enough.
all right. Mr. Garza, my understanding is that you entered into a plea bargain agreement with the state for 10 months. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
All right, Deputy Laura, can you bring that one guy out in the green?
Oh, the one's green?
Yes,
Judge, do you need us to initial anything?
yes, please.
Him as well?
Yes.
What's your initial? There you go.
His name is Jesse Garza. Oh, no, not Jesse Garza. It is Avendano. Pablo Avendano.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 months in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2025 CR 004131. And there's to be no contact with target.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you are released, if for any reason you need help finding a place to stay, you need help with mental health issues, you need help with drug issues, you can always come back to the court. If I'm here, I'll make sure there's a place for you, okay?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
All right, good luck to you, okay? And hey, no more face tattoos.
I know, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Deputy Laura, we're finished with him. Mr. Pablo Avendano,